Hey everyone, today I will be replacing the reverse bulbs in my 2016 Scion IM. Replacing these two bulbs right here. I decided to swap them with LED ones. I grabbed a pair of LED, the bulb number is 921. These are the 921 reverse light LED bulbs from Sirius LED. So today I'll be showing you how to replace them. First thing you want to do is open the hatch, and you will find under here is a little cutout right here. This is where the bulbs will be hiding behind there. You want to take a plastic pry tool like this, or you can take a flathead screwdriver, just make sure it's skinny enough to fit in here. You don't want to scratch it, so I recommend using this because it's less chance of scratching it. And you want to just pry this off until it pops out. So we'll go do that right now. I think there's actually right there. There's a little slot if you can see it. That's where you'd stick your tool or your flathead screwdriver. So we'll go do that right now. Alrighty, so we got the back panel off. So again, you want to put your plastic pry tool in that little slot. Start pulling it or prying it around the corners very carefully until you get to these two notches, and just kind of pull outwards, and it'll pop right off. I want to put that aside. You can see the bulb is right in there. So we will get to that. I think this is an easy twist off. Alrighty, so what I did was I first unclipped this white connector right here. There's a little tab, you just push down on it and pull it out. It's not 100% necessary, but just, there's no power going to the bulb, just so that nothing shorts as you're pulling out the bulb. And then the next part is, as you can see here, the bulb will look like this. And then you just want to twist it till it snaps out. It comes loose, and then just carefully pull it down. You don't want to put too much stress on these wires. And then now the bulb is exposed, and what you'll do is just kind of grab it by the base, pull it out, and then we'll pop in the new one. So let me go do that right now. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock bulb right here versus the LED, which is the same socket type. And obviously this one will emit way more light. So let's go install it right now. Alrighty, so we have the LED socket, LED bulb into the socket. As you can see, just slide it in sideways and it'll pop right in. Next, you'll just tuck it underneath right here. There we go. Took a little while. And then you just twist it until it's in place like that. Perfect. It's not going anywhere. And there you go. Let's lower the hatch. See if you can see it in there. And there you go. That's all that's all there is to it. And then you just want to put that white connector right here back in the socket. I'll pop that in a little bit. I need two hands for that, but there you go. That's how you do it. You just twist to the left, pull it out, take out the old bulb, put the new one back in, twist it to the right, make sure it's in there secure, and let's go test out the backup light.